Good evening, everyone. As we gather tonight to celebrate the spirit of Christmas, I want to take this moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you. First of all, thank you, Lord, sa lahat ng blessings na binigay niyo sa amin for life, love, and for always being with us, even during our toughest times. Sa tatlong tao na tumatay yung father ko and ng company. To GM Tony Morales, my dad, thank you for introducing me to Sir Joseph and Sir Jojo. We are really grateful for your role as one of the key foundation of the company and for helping shape who we are and what we build. To our chairman, Sir Joseph, thank you for the opportunity to lead, for your trust, and for all the sacrifices you made for the company and for all of us. Alam namin na napakarami nating hinarap na challenges this year.
The payer is Aquadata Incorporation.
Hinarap nyo in a calm way at dahil sa inyo, natutunan namin na walang pagsubok na hindi kayang lampasan basta sama-sama. You've shown us what true leadership looks like with courage, vision, and compassion. Thank you for constantly pushing us to do our best beyond our limits and to be aggressive. Mga aral at values na tinuturo nyo, nagagamit namin hindi lang sa trabaho, kundi sa araw-araw naming pamumuhay. To Sir Jojo, thank you for consistent guidance and support. Kahit minsan feeling namin okay na yung mga reports or outputs namin, you always help us to see how we can make it even better. Your insights help us grow, to think more creatively, and to do our best every time. To my dad, Chairman Joseph, and Sir Jojo, in behalf of Aquadata Inc. family, thank you so much. To BM Danet and Ma'am Jane, and to the rest of the U family, thank you for taking care of Sir Joseph and Sir Jojo, and for treating us like part of your family, for the inspiration and reminding us of the true meaning of family. Your kindness and support means a lot to us. To the JNU company, Miss D and Miss Ina, thank you for always remembering us and keeping us connected to the JNU company. Kahit malayo kami, you always make us feel included. Your effort truly shows that distance is never a hindrance to unity. To Sir Toto, ang tito ng Aquadata, maraming salamat po sa inyong guidance at pagbabahagi ng inyong experience. You help us not only improve our work, but also our outlook in life. To Sir Joseph Tamayo, ang kuya ng Aqua, thank you for the steady support and your creative ideas that challenge and inspire us. Kahit gaano kalayo or kahit last minute ang lakad, lagi kang andyan para sumuporta. Ramdam namin ang genuine care mo sa team. To our heads, sina Sir Gilbert, Miss Sarah, Ma'am Beth, Mama Se, sa Originals. Kayo po ang ilan sa mga haligi ng Aquadata, mga taong kasama sa pinakaumpisa ng ating paglalakbay. Kayo ang mga saksi sa bawat hamon, sa bawat tagumpay, at sa bawat panibagong simula na ating hinarap. Mula sa panahong puno ng uncertainties, hanggang sa mga sandaling narating natin ang mga milestone, hindi po kayo bumitaw. Thank you for your dedication, loyalty, and love for the company. Dahil sa inyo, natutunan namin ang halaga ng tiyaga, teamwork, at pananampalataya. You are truly the heart of Aquadata. Maraming salamat po sa inyong serbisyo at inspirasyon. To all new and young leaders, kay Engineer Joy, Engineer Ima, Popo, Miss Lovely, Lara, Jean, Roy, at kay Dixon. Thank you for your passion, dedication, and new ideas. Kayo ang patunay na leadership is not just about position, but about heart and initiative. Keep inspiring others with your teamwork and creativity. Lubos naming pinahalagahan ang inyong kakayahang pag-isahin ang bawat miyembro ng Aquadata at ang inyong mga simpleng paraan upang magbigay saya, inspirasyon, at pagkakaisa sa ating samahan. To every department, NIP, meter readers, SWAT, Special Project, warehouse, admin, billing, customer service, motor pool and equipment, marketing, leak detection team, and to all our hardworking teams in Bawan and San Pascual. Maraming salamat po. Your hard work and sacrifices makes everything possible. Kahit anong oras, kahit anong hamon, kahit may bagyo, lindol, pagputok ng bulkan, pandemya, at iba pang sakuna na ating hinarap at haharapin. Andyan kayo palagi para siguraduhin na maayos at maasahan ang ating serbisyo. You are the true heroes of Aqua Data. This year has been full of challenges and growth, but we made it together. Every achievement, every improvement, every success story, it's all because of your teamwork and dedication. As we look back, we can proudly say na malayo na tayo pero malayo pa rin. At naniniwala ako na malayo pa ang ating mararating. Mas madami pa ang ating matutulungan, hindi lang dito sa Batangas, kundi sa iba't ibang part ng Pilipinas. We've grown stronger, wiser, and more united as one family. As we look forward to a new year, let's continue to strengthen our team through learning and development. Keep innovating and improving our operations. Stay true to our core values, integrity, excellence, and malasakit. With our shared passion and unity, I'm confident that we will reach even greater heights next year. So tonight, let's celebrate not only our achievements, but also the friendship and teamwork that make Aqua Data truly special. Ang Pasko ay panakaisa, pasasalamat, pagmamahalan, values that we live by every day. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat for your hard work, loyalty, and trust. Here's to a joyful Christmas and prosperous New Year ahead. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.